सारे कहते अब तू है मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा तेरे दिल में ही एक बार मैंने खोना उससे प्यार का इजहार जब तूने किया तो ये प्यार का इशारा अब मैंने दिया.
We're swaying, we're waving, we're feeling the beat, we're feeling the rhythm, we're feeling all of that. Then we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna hold our sandwich. We're gonna go bite, 2, 3, 4. It could be a slow circle, slow. It could be a fast circle, fast. Then again. Now what you're doing is you're telling people that you had such a good sandwich. So you're here, you had such a good sandwich. You had such a good sandwich that you want another sandwich. You just really want another sandwich. So I'm stepping forward with my foot. I'm placing one hand on my chest. I'm going hit, 2, 3, 4, swing, 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 swing. So like a clock, you're gonna go tick, 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 tick. Then you're gonna bring this hand out, the opposite hand. Give it a light wave, 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 up, tick, 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 tick. तुम्हें पास बुला के मेरे सीने से लगा के अब दिल की बात सुनाओ वो बातें सुना के अब प्यार दिखा के अब तुमको अपना बनाओ. The dance we're going to do today is called muqabla. Muqabla in Hindi means to battle. So take your hand, place it forward, and I want you to pull your body back into that palm. So the idea is I'm starting with my chin. I'm going chin back, chest up, belly button in, and then switching with the feet. The easiest way to remember your feet is kind of like a cat and mouse theory. When the cat comes closer to the mouse runs. So as soon as one foot comes closer to the other, you're gonna switch back. So you're going up and switch, up and switch, okay? So you're going 1, 2, down, up, down, up. Let's try the other side. Hold that palm down. You're going down, 2, boom, ka, boom, ka. Well done, my friends. That was fantastic.